Are you looking for a new low-maintenance ranch home in the heart of Harrisburg? Hi, I'm Travis. Let me introduce you to the newest Ryan Homes community, Davis Creek. Your new home will have 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and up to 2,600 square feet. If you need space to spread out, you can even add a second level with a loft, bedroom, and a full bathroom. Plus, all the homes here come with lawn maintenance included. That means you'll never have to worry about yard work. You can just enjoy your outdoor space, ideally on your included covered patio. Here, you'll be able to choose your features and finishes to customize your new home. So what's your style? We have made it easy for you with our professionally designed finishes. You can select your cabinets, countertops, flooring, and more. Just think, you can make your design dreams a reality. If a convenient location is at the top of your must-have list, you can check that off here. You'll be less than a mile away from grocery options like Publix, Lowe's Foods, and more. Head over to the local YMCA for a quick workout, grab some coffee with a friend at Rocky River. There's plenty of restaurants and shopping nearby, so grabbing a bite to eat or running errands is a breeze. So are you ready to start enjoying your new home? Join the VIP list to get updates on community progress, floor plans, pricing, and be the first to know when we start selling before we open to the public. I can't wait to meet you.